live here at the Onondaga Pavilion, getting ready for the New Year's tournament with my man, Curtis Kong, taking a pregame lead. Let's get it.
Stay low, stay low. There you go, bud. Stay in. Watch, switch. I'm low. Lee, I'm low. I'm low. I'm your low, Lee. Hey, Kurt, match up. Say hi, Lee. That was a good one. You got the fresh shoe game, huh? Fresh shoe game?
Yeah, I finally got new shoes.
Damn,
those
dude.
red ugly things.
About time.
Yeah, new shit.
Go ahead, June, you're one. June, you're one. That's just good D.
High stick.
Really?
Yep.
You're not letting us cross
check?
check?
You got him right here, guy.
You sure?
Yeah. First one.
I got it on camera. I'll send it to you.
All right.
Deal? Skies out, thighs out, huh? I respect the hustle, kid. Thanks. Respect it. Pick coming, Lee! Stay high, Lee. Yep. Hey, stay high. Yep. Stay high, good. Lee, you're high, Lee.
Why you gotta leave me on the floor like that?
You know not to run through the middle like that. Come on. Nah. I tried to warn you.
I'm gonna still do it.
I pulled up for you, though.
Still do it.
I think I like him. I'm gonna pull up a little. Jun. There you go, Kong. Yeah! Woo! You're on, brother. Good game. Good job, Jun. Game, Wade. Game, Lee. Kong, great face-offs, baby. Game, brother. Good game, boys. Game, bud. Game, Hodge. Neil, good game, brother. Game. Game, brother. Game, Cam. Game, boys. Good game, Twogs. Game, brother. Game, boys. Game. Good game, Rich. Good game. Game, boys. Game. Game, boys. Good game. Good game, boys. Game. Game, boys. Good game. Game, boys. Game, brother. Yeah. Good game. Oh. Game. Game, brother. Yeah. Game, Cam. Hell yeah, brother.
Nice round, bro.